Hello, good evening. And today I made a project which is file uploading related, and also we are going to show how it works and what is the main functionality of that project. So that project, let's take a overview over the project. First, that project has a two part like a one is front end part and other is back end part. In the front end part there is a React and in the back end part there is Node.js. So we just take a file like a image from the front end part and upload to the means send to the node means server side. So that file received at the server side, and after receiving that file it works and it sells another service like Cloudinary. This is the cloud based service which provides the facility to store the media or store the files, store the data, your data as a cloud service. So we can after fetch that images or the things. Basically, it gives in the response. It gives the link. It gives the URL in the response. That's why we can save in our database, and later we can just retrieve the link, and we can also able to show the image on the front end side. This is the total scenario. So how I did it? Let's just share the screen first, and okay, this is my screen, and this is our project. So this is our project, and suppose we have a file upload project, and here we can choose the file from our, suppose this one, and let's open. This is uploading on the means it taken from the our storage, and then I just hit the set button. What can I see? These are the images which is which has our which has our database. So from the database I just retrieve the link and can find and able to show the image. So let's take a view on the Cloudinary. This is the Cloudinary. It provides the things. Here is our all images which I have shared with the Cloudinary media library. These are the images which I have shared, like this one, and this one. I can refresh so I can see all the images here. These images I currently sends here. So let me show our database. This is our image database, and here I have 11 links. I can just copy that link and I can paste on the browser. I can see the emails. This is the Cloudinary email, and I can just see the emails on the browser. Yes. So these data is stored on the other services, cloud services, and I normally fetch. So it totally covers the microservice architecture. And let me show our code base. Okay, so this is our code base, and this is the backend part, and this is the front end part. In the backend part, how I handle the files. I'm not just uh, using all the cases, or just simple. I use simple cases like there is data, there is. I'm not used all the scenario, so it's a normal upload. So all the files which I send from the front end, it store here, and this is the index. And I use Multer to manage the incoming files, and FS for making the file system, like making the directory and as open, and also use pool like from the DB how to connect means after connection of the database, uh, all the things in the database like host, password, and these are the database files which required to connect. And this is the index main server type file. And these files, what it did first, it checks if there are upload directory or not. If not, then it makes the directory, and it is the storage part where I am using here disk storage, not memory storage, because it fills up the memory. So later on, it maybe a problem create a here I use dex. It has two properties like destination and file name. In the destination, here a callback. First argument always null, and second is the path in the file name. First is null, and second is the file dot or original name. Means I can put here anything like original name or field name, anything which is just provided by the multer, and all the things, all the information related to the file.